In this video, I'll show you how to set up the NadiPulse app step by step. First, let's download the NadiPulse app from the Play Store. Open the Play Store and search for NadiPulse. You'll see two apps in the results, NadiPulse Doctor and NadiPulse User. You can identify our app by the logo. If you're a user, download the User app. If you're a doctor, download the Doctor app. For this video, I'm assuming you're a doctor, so I'll go with the Doctor app. The app is optimized to be lightweight while still offering all the important features, so it should download and install quickly. Once it's installed, open the Doctor app. The first thing you'll see is a language selection screen. The app supports Hindi and English. Choose whichever you prefer. I'll select English. Next, the app will ask for a few permissions: location, nearby devices, and notifications. These are important. Location helps connect you with nearby patients, and nearby devices is required to connect with the Nadi monitoring device. Tap Continue and allow the permissions by selecting while using the app, just like this. Now you'll land on the welcome screen. Tap on Get Started. Enter your phone number and press Next. You'll receive an OTP on that number. Enter the OTP. If it doesn't arrive, wait for about 2 minutes and then tap Resend. Once verified, you'll move to the onboarding section. Here, you need to fill in your basic details: profile photo, name, gender, email, and Aadhaar number. Everything on this page is mandatory. One quick tip: in the specialization section, if your specialization isn't listed, you can simply search and add it manually. Once done, tap Save. Enter your date of birth and Aadhaar number. By doing this, we have completed the first step of onboarding. Click the Next button to proceed to the second step. Now, enter your institution details. This could be your hospital, clinic, or college. While adding your address, make sure you select it from the drop-down. This is important. If your address isn't showing, you can use the map icon to select your current location through Google Maps. We only accept addresses selected from the drop-down or map. This helps us verify your account and connect patients accurately. Next, add your education, experience, and a short bio. These will be visible on your profile. After filling everything, tap Next. On this screen, upload your facility photos, your hospital, clinic, or wellness center. You'll also need to upload your license document. This is mandatory for verification. You can either take a photo or upload a PDF or document. If you don't have a license, you'll need to contact our customer support team. Once everything is uploaded, tap Next. Now set your availability, your working hours, and schedule. And that's it. You'll land on the main dashboard. At this point, your account is created, but it may still show as not approved. You'll get a notification once it's done. After approval, simply close and reopen the app or tap the refresh button if it's available. And now, as you can see, the account is fully approved and ready to use. So first, you have the option to add a patient using their phone number. But if the patient does not have a phone number, you can also add them as a guest patient. Now, to add a guest patient, simply click on the Guest button. After that, enter the patient's basic details like name, date of birth, and gender. After entering the details, tap on the Continue button to add the patient. And that's it. The guest patient has been added successfully. You will now see the patient in your patient list. Now, let's also see how we can add a patient using a phone number. Enter the patient's phone number and press Next. An OTP will be sent to the patient's mobile number. Enter the OTP here and submit it. Once the OTP is verified, you'll need to enter the patient's basic details: name, date of birth, and gender. After filling in all the details, press Continue. Now you'll see that the patient has been successfully added and their profile will appear in your patient list. Now let's move on to the most important part: how to take the Nadi reading. To start, tap on the Read Nadi button. Take the Nadi device and place it correctly on the patient's radial artery. If the patient is male, place the device on the right hand. If the patient is female, place it on the left hand. Once the device is properly placed, press the button on the device to turn it on. When you see a blue indicator, it means the device is ready to connect. Now go back to the app and tap on the Connect button. Within a few seconds, the device will connect. The app will now ask you to enter meal information and time. After that, tap Start Reading. And that's it. The Nadi reading process has now started. The reading can take up to 3 minutes, so ask the patient to stay calm, avoid talking, and keep their hands steady. Once the test is complete, the app will automatically show a detailed report. Here, you'll see key health insights like Vata, Pitta, and Kapha balance, along with a health index score. One of the most important sections is suggestions. You'll get personalized recommendations for food, yoga, and daily routines, dincharya, based on the patient's reading. Below that, you'll also see possible conditions based on the report. This section is visible only to doctors and helps you analyze the patient more deeply. From here, you can also easily share the report with your patient or anyone else directly from the app. So yeah, that's how the NadiPulse system works from start to finish. It's simple, fast, and designed to make your workflow smoother.